On your 2 minute, you would never care about rejection. Okay. That's 2 minutes. So if you're a disciplined trader, you would have been in this the whole time anyways.
Got you.
Right? If you're scalping, now you're scalping channels, which means you are in a put here, you're in a call here, you're in a put here, you're in a call here. That's a disciplined trader. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're waiting to see if this rejects. If it does, now you're in your fifth trade, which is a put.
But you'd be in the 1 minute, right?
That's exactly right. That'd be in a 1 minute. That's absolutely right. But it's going to wind up being exactly the same because it's still in a pattern. It's just going to look different, right? So up here, rejection, put. That's because now we're below it. Bang, right? As soon as it breaks back up here, we know that's a call. Bang, reject it off of here, which means sell it. Now this is a put. Bang, we already know right here, rejection. This is a call. That means as soon as it goes up, bang, came all the way up here, came all the way back down. Here's your sell. I'm in a put. It came here. Here's my call, and I'm still in the call. So if you are that good in scalping and you're watching this, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades because you're a disciplined trader scalping. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
That's what you're looking for. So this is what I mean when we're talking about trading the channel.